First, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Let's take some Pam and spray our 9x13 pan. Next, I'm going to take 10 medium-sized eggs and crack them in this. And we're going to give this a mix in just a little bit. All right, we're going to give these a good whisk. Next, we're going to add about half a cup of milk. Add some salt, maybe about half a teaspoon. Some black pepper, maybe a quarter teaspoon. Give that another stir. Now we're going to take our frozen tater tots and we're going to add about one layer to the pan. We're just going to add them all. The bag is almost done. Now we're going to spread these out as even as we can. And we're going to add some salt right to these. Right on top of our tater tots, we're going to add some cubed or diced ham. If you want to use bacon, cooked breakfast sausage, you sure can. We've got 2 bags. This is 16 ounces total. Next, we're going to add about a cup of cheese. And on top of that, we're going to pour our egg and milk mixture. And we're going to top it with just a little bit more cheese. All right, we're going to put this in the oven that's preheated to 400 degrees, and we're going to let that go for 1 hour. All right, it is done. All right, so that was about 15 minutes. You might be able to go 45 minutes, but it is completely done all the way through. We're going to cut this up and take a look. Some people like the crusty pieces anyway, so we got some of those going on. Smells amazing. All right, let's take this middle piece right here. All right, let's do a quick taste test. I know this is good already, but ham is really good. Also can make it with Spam or bacon, sausage. Super easy though. Just throw the stuff together and it's delicious, makes good leftovers. Thanks for watching.